Hello guys! Magandang araw! Kamusta kayo? I hope everybody's doing fine and is not sick. Look who's with me here in the background again. Almost fine already. And actually he didn't want to cook so much yet. But I asked him, please, because tonight our pastor will come for a visit with his wife and his cute little son, who is almost the same age as Timmy.
Yeah.
And actually they invited us for dinner, but we said with the 3 children it's maybe easier if you're coming to us. and we will invite you then. Yeah. Yes. So that's why they're coming to us then instead. And we will cook or Archie will cook actually.
I'm already cooking.
You're already cooking. And Archie asked, what do you like? Should I make afritada or menudo or adobo and something? And I hope I chose the right thing. I said, please adobo. Everybody likes adobo, I think. So I hope I'm right. What are you guys thinking? Maybe, hopefully. But I think they will enjoy it a lot. And how is it as our pop?
Oh, okay. They will come in 1 hour, right?
Yes.
So this one in 30 minutes, I think.
I think also they will not eat directly when they are coming, like directly go to the table first.
Yeah, for sure.
Talk and then we'll sit down.
They will bring the baby also?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's not yet a baby, there's also a baby coming, but will take 1 more month.
1 more month. Hello guys, by the way, medyo okay na rin ako. Awa ng Diyos. Yung dito, yung sakit namin pang umiikot lang dahil nga sa lamig. So, ayun, masyado kasi tiwala na kalaan, labas. Panay laro sa labas. Play with the kids, no? Biking. So, balik na naman yung ating laglat. At hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na. Ngayon naman si Papa na naman, no? Papa, yeah? Papa get sick. And he was...
he is also at home now, not working today.
Sick leave for 1 week.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Yeah, and by the way, we were not here yesterday also because we went to check a car a little bit away, like 1 hour drive to Düsseldorf. And actually when we came back, Archie just went to bed directly to rest a little bit because it was quite a long drive.
Yeah.
The children, but the children are very easy, very nice, no struggle in the car. So it was actually quite a nice ride.
Quite nice because
But we didn't see so much from the city only the car that we wanted to check out.
Ngayon, nag-umpisa na kami magtingin ng sasakyan para magamit kami maghanap ng ng tutuluyan namin or apartment. So yun. So hopefully guys, soon meron na kaming na-drive na sarili namin dito sa Germany. Otherwise, ibubus ako pabalik yung truck namin sa Pilipinas. Joke lang.
Let's go here, it's brighter here. I can see your feet better now.
Dami, no?
Oh, this little guy wants to eat already.
Okay. Ako patayin mo muna si Adam. Ako yan.
Actually, some of you were asking why I'm always carrying Adam around, because it's actually the easiest way. And don't worry, he's not getting addicted to me. Actually, in the first weeks of the life, I think every baby is addicted to the mother because that's how they survive. So he's nice and quiet when he's here. So it's easiest to do something when I have him strapped up here. Then I can work. Otherwise, not possible. So just a moment, guys. I will feed him while Archie is cooking, and then see you later. By the way, we will not film when the pastor is here, but we will enjoy our food anyway.
So ayan, almost 30 minutes na lang guys, darating na yung bisita ni Annie. So ito na yung ating adobo guys, pinapatuyuan ko na lang sa saglit. Tapos meron na rin tayo nitong patatas, partner nila. Kumbaga yun yung pinakakanin nila. Pero magsasaing pa rin tayo, syempre.
Yung basa.
Yeah, there's a basa there. Oh, cool man.
Basa.
Ito, may basa yan, oh. Yun, oh. Tubig. Yan. Oh, it's okay?
Basa.
Good. Good job. Oh, yes, ma'am. You want adobo later?
Yeah.
You want to try it now?
Yeah.
Okay, moment. Come here, come. Want to try? Here, Timmy.
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
Tomato.
Ano yun? Gusto niya daw tikman pero hindi siya makapili kung anong unahin niya. Laruan niya yun. Pagtikim ng adobo. Tara po si Timmy. Lagay ko na yung ating patatas. Dark soy sauce nga pala yung ginamit natin dito. Kaya maganda yung kulay ng kanyang sauce. Napapatik. Mamaya yan, mas lalapot siya. Sana magustuhan ni pastor to. Tsaka ng asawa niya. Yun pa naman yung pinaka main pastor nila sa simbahan nila, guys. Medyo bata pa yung pastor nila dito ngayon na na-assign sa kanilang simbahan. So, kaya gusto nila kaming ma-meet para at least magkaroon kami ng friendship ba? May mabuong friendship. Since na mag-move na nga kami dito. So, yun. Akala ko hindi friendly yung mga German guys, pero napaka-friendly nila. Kahit nga makasalubong mo sila. Ayun. Ano yun? Ano? That, no, this one is for the plants. That's for Uma. Not this one. This is not a toy, okay?
Yeah,
This toy.
nothing.
Yeah. Kindness feeling on this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. I love you, Timmy. We'll go back to Mama. Hey! Ne! Mama said, ask Mama first. Tanungin mo muna si Mama kung pwede, okay?
Shop from the mama go frog.
Yeah. I'm fragin Mama again. Yeah.
Mama can.
So ayun, talagang napaka-friendly ng mga German. Kahit nga makasalubong lang natin sila sa daan. Halimbawa, mag-isa ka o mag-isa lang sila, talagang yung ganun, tatanguan ka nila, tapos nakangiti. Mapamatanda, bata, ayan. So hindi din sila nalalayo sa ating mga Pilipino na friendly. Medyo ano lang sila, medyo stricto, suplado tingnan, pero sa totoo lang, deep inside, maganda silang kalooban. So ayun, karating na rin sila girls. Saktong-sakto ito, sana magustuhan nila. Bumili nga pala ako ng almost 2 kilos na na manok para magkasya sa sa buong pamilya. Sarap guys, oh. Kain po tayo. Chicken adobo. Mama said, yeah? Naputol mo na naman si mama mo, ha? Konti-konti lang, Timmy, ha? Magkalat ka na naman dyan. Kleiny, okay? Yeah? Okay, fetish.
Oh.
Not yet?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright,
four. Get me some.
Okay na to. Sakto na yan. Huwag ka na magdagdag.
No, four.
Okay, more. Not yet? Ganito kasi, oh. Tulungan ko na nga siya. Nahihirapan siya. Ayan, narapit na. Hindi na lang. Okay na to. Oh. Huwag magbasa sa loob, ha? Dahan-dahan lang. Ganun ba? Basta tubig yung paborito ng laruan, guys. Kasi nga, di ba, mas tumagal sila sa Pilipinas. Mas naging sila sa sa mga ilog at sa dagat. How are you?
I'm fine.
Malapit na. 30 minutes na lang ko darating na sila. So,
That's nice.
yeah. Oh, doon pala inilagay ni.
Okay.
Okay. Kala ko lalaruan niya. Ilalagay niya pala talaga sa
Press down.
Yeah?
How
I know. Timmy, moment. Timmy, dumag-film. Ayan. Okay na yan, Timmy. Ang galing naman ni Timmy. Good job, Timmy. Marunong na mag-delete si Timmy. Ano ko, ha? Do you know how to watering the plant, ha?
Yeah.
I gave him 5 lollipop later, okay?
Because of watering the plant.
Yeah, my goodness. Nice, Timmy. You like lollipop later?
Yeah.
So, nakaisa ka na nga kanina eh. Thank you, Timmy. Salamat.
Salamat.
Timmy, said walang anuman.
Man.
What are you drawing, Ella? Ha? Oh,
I think a fever
medicine.
check.
Ella, may apple ka pa dito. Tiyan mo parang kinagat ng bising.
This chimney.
Yes,
Oh,
Timmy.
you said you will eat it, Ella.
This one stuck in.
And this one also. Ito daga, ito bising. Yan sila, guys. So, mamaya, liligpitin ito after maglaro, Ella, okay? We need to clean it later, okay? Okay, good job. Baby Adam, help Ella and Timmy also.
Am I baby Adam in this scenario?
Ay, wag ka magtago dyan, ha? I will go back to the kitchen. I think it's over already. Over. Tapos na. Baka ma-overcook, guys. Parating na yung ating bisita ng pastor. So, kailangan mag-behave muna tayo. We need to be behave, no?
We
Pastor.
always behave.
Nga pala, guys, yung yung kapatid niya ay pastor din. No? I tell them that your brother is also a pastor, right?
Yes, my brother is also a pastor.
Yes. How many years your brother as a pastor already?
Good question.
Maybe 30 years, no?
No.
But anyway, why you don't decide to be a sister? You know, service in God. What is it? Sister, we call it sister. Ano nga tawag doon, guys?
You mean a nun?
A nun, sorry. Nun.
Why I don't want to be a nun?
Why you
Because I
don't
want-
choose to be a nun?
Because I always wanted a family and children.
Good job. Honey, you see? Pastor Gordon, his wife is there. So, kakain muna kami. We're going to eat. And then maybe Adam will sleep here.
Yes.
Papa, kain, Papa.
Schau mal, vielleicht schmeckt dir das ja auch. So good. Was mit deinem Fleisch? Gar nichts.
Like always.
Okay, guys, magandang gabi ulit, guys. So, actually, nakatulog kami ni Annie at ngayon lang kami ulit nakapag-vlog. Tapos kumain kanina. And ayan, look guys, ito na lang yung natira sa ating chicken adobo kanina na punong-puno pa yan. So, awa ng Diyos, marami sila nakain. And nagustuhan nila. So, ayun. And ang maganda yan kasi sabi ko pagbalik ko galing Pilipinas is kami naman yung dadayo sa kanila. So, ipagluluto din na tayo ng mga specialty nila. And pasensya na nga pala kung nagpupulong ako kasi natutulog na sila. And si Annie naman ay nagpapalit ng diaper ni Baby Adam. So, ayun. And sila Ella. Ay, kung naririnig niyo. Anong oras na ba? Oh, mag-2 o'clock. So, bumaba lang po para dito sa tea. Para mainitan yung tiyan natin ulit at gumanda na yung ating pakiramdam. Tuloy-tuloy na. Kasi bukas ay may lakad na naman kami. May pupuntahan kami. May asik-asuin. So, kailangan malakas. Nakaraan, uminit-init na dito eh. Kaso, bigla na naman lumamig. Bumaba na naman yung temperatura. So, kaya ingat tayo lagi. Alagaan natin yung health natin. And, mostly ako. Pero, pa-okay na rin ako, guys. Sabi ng Diyos. Bukas ay ng hapon siguro magpe-prepare din ako ng mga pagkain pa na kailangan ko maiwan sa sa freezer para just in case na yung lulutuin ba. Magluluto ako ng ng ulam tapos i-freezer ko para at least pag gusto nilang kumain ng Pinoy food is meron na silang mga kain lalo yung mga bata. So, I think yung tira nito ay itatabi ko yung iba kasi sure ako hanapin to na Timmy at saka ni Ella bukas ng umaga para kainin. So magtatabi ako nito ng konti sa maliit na baunan tapos ipipreaser ko para meron silang mahugot pag kailangan nila ng pagkain Pinoy. And awa ng Diyos na survive natin yung pagkain nila ngayong hapon or ng gabihan. Nagustuhan ni Pastor Gert tsaka ng kanyang asawa si Daniela. Napagmalaki na naman natin yung ating pagkain sa ibang mga lahi. By the way, ito na yung mapalit natin guys. Sabi ko kay Annie, gutom na siya padidiin niya. Sabi niya mamaya na doon kadididi lang. Tapos dididi ulit po talaga. Gusto magpalaki agad. Ay, Baby Adam. Oh my goodness. Oh, lolo.
Jumping. So how was the evening for you as well?
Oh, it's okay. Ito yung unique didi na.
Yeah, I think so.
Didi. Padidiin muna namin si Baby Adam. And gutom na. See you on our next vlog. Thank you for watching.
See you in our next vlog. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. So you see our next video.
Thank you nga pala sa aming mga members na sumusuporta sa aming channel. Maraming salamat po ulit. And magandang gabi. Bye.